Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Don't ignore. Stay update.
Lahore. A two-member special security team of International Cricket Council, ICC, arrived in Lahore on Monday to review security arrangements for international cricketing stars visiting the country to play a three-match series against Pakistan. The three-match T20 series, dubbed as Independence Cup 2017, will be played on September 12, 13 and 15 at the Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. The World 11 will be captained by South Africa's Faf du Plessis, and comprises a star-studded lineup of 14 players from 7 different countries. It has been learned that PCB officials will brief the ICC team on security arrangements in Lahore, especially inside and around the Gaddafi Stadium. The tickets for the highly anticipated Pakistan vs World 11 series have been available online since Friday. The tickets, ranging in prices from Rs 500 to Rs 8,000, can be purchased from www.eticketing.pk/worldxi. First come first served. Independence Cup tickets for three-match series in Lahore 11 to 15 Sep are on sale at t.co web link. Najim Sethi, at Najim Sethi, September 4, 2017. Earlier in August, PCB announced 16-member squad for Independence Cup 2017, which is as follows. 1 Sarfraz Ahmed, captain, wicket-keeper. 2 Fakir Zaman. 3 Ahmed Shahzad. 4 Babar Azam. 5 Shoaib Malik. 6 Umar Amin. 7 Imad Wasim. 8 Shadab Khan. 9 Muhammad Nawaz. 10 Fahim Ashraf. 11 Hassan Ali. 12 Amir Yamin. 13 Muhammad Amir. 14 Ruman Reis. 15 Usman Shinwari. 16 Sohail Khan.